Hi everyone, this is Meagan Burns and it is time for another continuous line drawing demo. Today we are going to do the San Francisco skyline. Yeah, from the Ferry Building. Oh my goodness, and you may ask, why are you doing the skyline of San Francisco from the San Francisco Ferry Building? Well, I'll tell you why. Because on January 12th, 2025, I have collaborated with the San Francisco Ferry Building, and I'm going to be doing a workshop, a half-day continuous line drawing workshop in the Ferry Building, and then I have coordinated with a couple of select vendors in there for us to have some snacks and do kind of a draw crawl. So we are going to do the San Francisco skyline right now. And what I'm using today is my Pilot Parallel pen, which is really a beautiful pen. And this is the largest nib. It's a 6.0. You see that? You can like basically scrape paint with this thing because it's a calligraphy pen, right? And these Pilot Parallels, I think there's like 4 or 5 of them, different sizes. This is the largest one. And the reason why I use this is that it's easy to cut. What do you mean? What do I mean by that? Well, I'll show you. So I'm going to switch the camera. Is this thing on? Yeah, I'm going to switch the camera so you can watch me draw and so that you can draw too. I've got, this is a 9x12 Canson, kind of middle of the road watercolor paper. It's not the best, it's not the worst. So I've got my Pilot Parallel pen here, and I'm looking at the skyline of the San Francisco Ferry Building. I'm going to put it right here. And so the thing, this is a beautiful pen. It kind of makes things go quickly. So I'm just going to jump right in here and okay, and you get some really beautiful marks with this thing. See how you get, I'm doing all the windows in one fell swoop. And the thing that I really lean into with my continuous line is that it is energy, not accuracy. I think it's super important because I love the continuous line, and the more I do it, the more I feel like I get a feel for the energy of whatever it is I'm drawing. And oh, my pen is leaking a little bit. So I'm just going to put some it's a long building. There's boats in there. There's vendors, beautiful vendors. My goodness. You know, those of you that live there know what everything that's in there. And it's just, you know, it's kind of the best of the best for Northern Cal, right? A lot of vendors from Sonoma and Napa and the city. And the city, you know, needs our support. A lot of these blue cities. I'm not going to get political. But 2025 is probably going to be an interesting year, wouldn't you say? Okay, and then here's that's one of that first building there. Boom. And then we got another one here. Okay. We're just going to get kind of the sense of it, right? And I'm going lightly because I don't want solid lines. Actually, I'm going to do just a little bit more here to get the sense of that building, and then a little there. Okay, and then we're going to do, oh my God, about there. Okay, and we got another building here. Oh, geez, Louise. And we got, hey, my dog just jumped on me because she thinks I have chicken. I don't have chicken. Not right now. I did earlier. But, oh, see how this pen just kind of really beautifully cuts through. And you can just get a sense of windows very quickly, right? Oh my God. And then there's a building here in front. I need to put on my glasses because I can't, I've discovered I can't see anymore, even with my contacts. So I have to put readers on to see what the heck I'm doing. There we go. And then that building. And then we're going to come over here and do some of these. Okay, and then here we're going to put I got to add a little more height over there. I got to scooch in a little bit because I can't see. Okay, there's our ferry building. And what I'm going to do over here is, because I need a little bit more height here, and I got a little... Where's the diagonal? Oh, the diagonal building is right here. Okay. Now we have a little bit of a... there's this. Oops. San Francisco Ferry Building. Okay. And what time is it? It is 4:30. So there, I'm going to just make it 4:30 here. Okay. Now we got this long building here, Port of. Okay, I gotta take it back out a little bit. Okay, and then okay, see, this pen is super great for just getting a lot of details quickly. And then we got this one. Okay, now there's that, and then let me scrunch out. Put a few more sticks here. They're not sticks. What are they? They're you know, part of the where the boats go. What is that called? Pier? No, not piers. I forget what it's called. There we go. And I'm going to put some lines in here. So January 12th, Sunday, January 12th, I'm going to be in San Francisco for the month of January. I'm going to arrive after the 1st and then be there throughout the inauguration because I want to kind of see everything blow up. Well, you know, I want to see what is going on with this whole thing. There we go. What does this building have here? I'm going to just put some cuts in it. And what is this? Oh, this building has, it's actually pretty, there's, get some darkness in here. There we go. And so that's a pretty quick, I know I didn't put the words in because I'm going to do that with my white pen. Okay, so that's very quickly with where's my white crayon? So I use the white crayon a lot just to put some texturing in. So there we've got some texture. And the colors I'm going to use, I use a combination. Using a lot of saturated inks, and because they just pairs very nicely with a continuous line. So I got my big brush and my, let me just hit this with some water. There's that. And then just do some of the, I always like to put a little water down first before I hit it with, yeah, just a little sliver there. Okay, and then for the sky, I'm going to use pink because I can. That's why I'm using it, because I can. And just to give a little cheeriness, right? There. Now, what I'm going to do is pick up some of that color, hit it with a little salt, and then I kind of want to just, with my brush pen, where's my brush pen? I'm going to just hit a little bit more here. Actually, it's not wet enough. There we go, just to give it a little bit more of the water, sense of water, right? Let me take my glasses off so I can see a little bit. And then I'm going to maybe just hit a little, oh, I want a little pink right there. And there is the San Francisco skyline. I'm just going to put a few more details in here just to kind of make it pop a little bit. There we go. And so when that is fully dry, I'm going to hit it with, okay, let me switch the camera. There we go. I'm going to leave the tape on a little bit and let this dry a little bit more. But yeah, that's how you do a complicated skyline with the Pilot Parallel. You can cut through the cityscape quite easily. So I'm going to let this dry a little bit, put some final touches on it, and then share it. So join me in January 12th, Sunday, January 12th, at the San Francisco Ferry Building. We're going to be doing some continuous line urban sketching, and we're going to be having some delicious snacks at the San Francisco Ferry Building. Please stay safe, stay sane, take good care, keep drawing, because it's going to be a crazy 2025. So there you go. Get yourself a Pilot Parallel pen and start cutting your way across the city. I'll see you all next time. Bye. Mwah, 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 mwah.